Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the terminal app and a backup. Now open Settings to begin. First, choose Settings Control+, or select Open JSON File to edit settings. JSON directly. You do this because JSON gives full control over color schemes and defaults. Once the file is visible, locate Schemes and Profiles. These are the two areas you'll change. Make sure to save a copy first so you can revert quickly if a change looks off. Next, add a new color scheme or tweak an existing one inside the schemes array. You add a JSON object with name and hex values for foreground, background, and cursor color because that defines how text and background render. Once done, find the profile you use, like PowerShell or CMD, and set its color scheme to the scheme name. This tells Terminal which palette to apply to that profile. Save the file and close the editor to apply. Finally, save settings. JSON and restart Windows Terminal so changes load. You restart because Terminal reads the JSON on launch. Without it, your edits may not show. If colors look off or Terminal throws an error, check for JSON syntax issues like trailing commas or mismatched braces. Those are the usual culprits. If things still fail, replace the edited file with your backup copy and reopen Terminal to restore a working configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.